Hello guys, this is my first ever unboxing review. This is Interrupted 1987, and today we'll be reviewing this Dino Valley Dilophosaur set. So, give me some scissors. Let's unpackage the dinosaurs first, cause well, yeah. Oh, okay. So right here, we have our first dinosaur out of the packaging. It stands, so that's good. There you go. Hands. Here is the Dilophosaur out of its packaging. It's a nice mold. Really like it. So gets the other things out of the packaging. So let's just put this to the side. Alright, let's see. Let's get this other Dilophosaur. Oh, it has a more of a bluish tone to it. I like this one a lot too. Like I said, it's a nice paint job. It's a pretty good figure set. I like it. Let's. Oh. Ah. Okay. So you put that down. The person, it's an average figure, not the best, but it'll do. When you have this kind of thing, oh crap. Gosh, let's see. I don't know if, never mind. It comes with this little packaging with a little bit of some guns, different weapons and stuff like that. I'm going to do a little damage. Let me do this down real quick. Alright. It's a pretty decent set from Dino Valley. Bye everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.